Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Wedding Week video. Today I have a really simple insert card for you. This is my Our Day insert card. How beautiful is that? You have the couple there inside the heart, some really fun hearts and some plants and filigree all around there. Just really, really pretty. Of course, there's that spot on the inside for your message. And I include an envelope as well. Now, like all of my insert cards, you can make this on any Cricut cutting machine from the Cricut Joy all the way up to the Cricut Venture. Now, I've included 3 different versions of this card, so you can make this for a straight couple, a gay couple, or a lesbian couple. Again, all of those options are located within the download. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, your scraper, your brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Wedding Week 2025. If you're watching this video while the event is going on, you can find the cut file on the event page. There's a link down below for you to check it out. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in the link below. If you're interested in all cut files during the event, as well as printable worksheets, bonus cut files, and commercial licensing for all event files, go ahead and check out the VIP Access Pass. You can find out more information in the description box below. No matter how you get the file, make sure you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Now I do have 3 different versions of this card. Go ahead and select which option is going to be right for you. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the straight couple, and then I'm going to be using my Cricut Maker, so I'm going to select that file. Go ahead and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. And you can see that the file has been brought into our canvas. We can go ahead and ungroup the design. We do have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's first find the envelope, click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, change those to score in the operation menu, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score line, change it to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those 2 pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I've gotten everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is fold along the score line on the card base. And now we can open it up and feed the insert into the slits there on the card base. And there we go. I'll set that to the side for a minute. Now we can make our envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms our envelope. And our insert card is all set. Wasn't this one so simple to put together? I love insert cards. They really are fun to make. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Wedding Week video. Bye-bye.